Do you have a skill that you love to do, like creating thumbnails or video editing, but don't know how to turn it into money? There are two ways to make money with your skill: work as a freelancer or create a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these two ways to make a good income. But before we start, you should know if your skill is high paying or not. The most profitable and best skill for me is video editing, with pay rates between 20 and 40 per hour. Firstly, you should make some imaginary projects to build your portfolio. If you think your projects are good enough and deserve to be paid, you can start selling your skill. But how? Upwork is one of the largest work marketplaces for freelancers. To create a professional profile on Upwork, browse the freelance job page to see current job postings and other freelancers' profiles to see how they write, rate ranges, and skills. Then choose a job that suits you and make a catchy proposal with your portfolio. You can use ChatGPT to help you write the cover letter. The more you try, the more chances you get. Now you should create a TikTok or YouTube channel to promote your service. There are a lot of video ideas. For example, if you are an editor, you can make Mr. Beast editing challenge, or editing videos in 5 minutes challenge, or sharing tips. Keep uploading and make high-quality videos to get more views. The channel will not only promote your service, but also give you more money from ads. I also worked as a freelancer at age 15 years old and offered my thumbnails design to clients who needed to improve their channels. In a few months, I worked with 4 clients and earned $700. I was getting $5 or $10 per thumbnail. Note, your first silent not getting faster. It took me over a month to get the first order. My advice is always look for ways to improve your skill and learn new things that can help you grow as a professional. This will help you stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in your industry and deliver high-quality work to your clients. Remember, quality, not price, is what matters to the customer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.